What is below the Earth? This is a question that can make people think. Because this question has two meanings. First of all, what is under the Earth, i.e. under our feet? Many of you must be knowing the answer to this question. And the second meaning of this question is that what is under the Earth, i.e. under the whole planet? That is, when we see the Earth in space like this. So what do we see under the Earth? So if you think about what is under our feet, that is, if we go inside the Earth while digging the Earth, will we go outside the Earth into space? So today let me clear this confusion. Although many would know the answer to this question. But let us find the answer to this question properly today. A mysterious rock found inside a diamond raised the question of whether what is hidden under the surface of the Earth. Finding water particles in this mysterious rock was an important discovery. These rocks tell us what happened deep inside the Earth, 500 to 600 kilometers below the surface, many centuries ago. And what is there? Scientists have grappled with the questions of how water came to Earth for decades. How did the oceans form, and are there more oceans hidden beneath the Earth's surface? So far, the deepest pit that man has made under the surface of the Earth has reached only 10 to 12 kilometers. We probably don't know much about the planet we live on. As much as we know about the surface of Mars, millions of kilometers away. The internal structure of the Earth is made up of three major layers. The upper layer is the crust, the middle layer is the mantle, and the inner and outer layers are the core. Out of these, the outer core is in liquid state. It interacts with the inner core to generate the Earth's magnetic field. It is estimated that the layer beneath the oceans may be about 5 kilometers thick. But this tiny layer can also be as large as several light years. Because our knowledge about it is very limited. For decades, scientists also believed that comets hitting the Earth's surface, water must have been born or oceans must have been formed. The contribution of rocks in the Earth's mantle to the formation of the oceans is indicated by of the mysterious rocks that are magnesium-rich silicates and are called ringwoodites. A lot of water is found in ringwoodite. This means that oceans can also be found within the rocks below the Earth's surface, i.e. mantle or middle layer. For this, we have to understand the structure of the Earth and the shape of the Earth. First of all, let's talk about the size of the Earth. The shape of the Earth is almost round. And it's a little bit flattened at its pole. That's why the shape of the Earth can also be called a little oval. And talk about the structure of the Earth. The structure of the Earth is made up of different layers. Just like an onion, which is made in many layers. First of all, let's talk about the center of the Earth, which is also called the core. The core is made entirely of metal, where the temperature can be more than 10,000 degrees Celsius. And this is the densest part of the Earth. There is a layer of mantle above the core. And on top of that a layer of crust. If you understand that above the Earth this land, this mountain, this sea are on a flat surface. So you are very wrong. All these mountains, seas and this land are situated on the surface of the round Earth, i.e. the curved surface of the Earth. And we too. And all these things are being attracted towards the center by gravity. What will happen if we dig till we go beyond the core? Now if you start digging the Earth, you will reach the core by going through different layers, where the temperature remains as hot as the surface of the sun. And this thing seems to be true only in the imagination, that it is also possible that we will be able to reach the core someday. But to enhance our knowledge, we will imagine that. What if we could reach the core? After reaching the core, if we start digging on the other side of the core, to exit, we will reach from one curved surface point of the Earth to another curved surface point. For example, if we dig a straight tunnel at any point in India, it will open after going to any part of South America. Experiment. If you still don't get my point, take a ball or a globe and make a straight tunnel-like hole at one point of a country, exactly across. You will understand my point very easily. Just keep in mind that these things may not actually be possible. We are just making a fantasy to understand this. So far man has dug the deepest pit on the Earth, only up to 12 kilometers, which is in Russia. Its name is Kola Superdeep Borehole. We already know the answer to one aspect of this question. Now let us move towards knowing the answer to the second aspect of this question. What is below our planet Earth, i.e. when we see Earth from space? So what do we see under the Earth? So let us tell you that there is a complete vacuum under the Earth. That is, nothing. Now the Earth is located in our solar system and the solar system is in our Milky Way galaxy. So some elements of the galaxy, such as dust, gas, and a very distant star-like structure, may be behind the Earth. That is too very far away from the bottom of the Earth. So now you must have understood this question very well and must have known what is under the Earth. Now you will never be confused about this. Know this, you must tell in the comment. If you like it, then like it. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.